Coolpix AW130. Checking out how good it films underwater here. Filming here with the Nikon Coolpix underwater model. Great news, the kids have found a sea urchin. Gonna check it out.
We found a sea urchin, Clark. A big one, like this big.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh look, don't make the water go on, the sand go on it.
Why? Oh, you brought my camera down.
How do you know if it's recording?
I don't know.
So here we are at Alona Beach, Bohol, Philippines. We're doing a test of a Nikon AW130 Coolpix camera.
I just found a big starfish by myself.
Alright.
This is a real big one. So, it has 5 and it's really big. So I'm going to put it back now. Wow, that was the biggest starfish I've seen for a very long time.
Let me see. So this is a genuine Philippine starfish. Feels really rough. Clark, what do you like about the camera so far for video?
My favorite thing about it is it's waterproof. So we just found this starfish. And right there is, I think, to be the same species. Found another starfish!
Bound to be more critters around here somewhere.
Yeah, found another sea urchin. His legs are really long. That crab pinched me. It just feels like a gecko's sticky hands.
Coolpix AW130. I'm going to test this underwater video. It's pretty easy to use, very easy to use. Just got to make sure this waterproof case for the battery is quick close. Makes the battery compartment watertight. And it's literally point and shoot. Power on. Video, and you're recording video. Had it on 1080 footage, 30 frames per second. You see how the video turned out. But yeah, I really like this little camera. It only cost about 9,000 baht, which is about a bit over $300 Australian. It's really easy to hold it steady. Good little camera. Nikon AW130, shockproof, 7 feet, waterproof, 30 meters.